India's food processing industry is a dynamic bridge linking agriculture to industry. With the second highest agricultural output globally, India's diverse climate zones contribute to its vast array of agricultural produce. This sector not only satisfies domestic demand, but also caters to a significant international market, especially with a large diaspora craving Indian processed foods. India's agricultural prowess is unmatched, being the largest producer of milk and boasting the second largest production of fruits, vegetables, and cereal pulses. The livestock population is the largest in the world, contributing substantially to the farm GDP. The food processing industry, with giants like PepsiCo and Nestlé, is booming, and the market is expected to grow annually by 8.40%, CAGR 2023 to 2028. The actual revenue in 2023 surpassed expectations, hitting $905.20 billion. Despite these strengths, India processes less than 10% of its total agricultural produce, trailing behind other developing nations. The reasons are multifaceted: a weak supply chain for perishable goods, inadequate infrastructure, lenient processing standards, and significant post-harvest losses, which the Ministry of Food Processing Industry reports to be around $1.5 billion annually. But the future shines bright for India's food processing sector, with expected growth in fruits and vegetables, milk, meat, poultry, marine products, and grain processing. To harness these opportunities, the government has initiated schemes like mega-food parks and integrated cold chains. Emphasizing food safety and quality assurance mechanisms will not only reduce post-harvest losses, but also position India as a formidable competitor in the global market.